Iris Yuvelir, singer, songwriter, music producer, and this is Soothe2 by Oic Sound, one of my favorite mixing plugins. Let me show you how I use it in my latest song, To Be a Woman. Soothe2 is amazing on vocals. In this case, I'm using it to smooth out and polish the overall sound of my vocal buzz.
What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman.
For this purpose, I like keeping the sharpness knob somewhere around 3 and dial the mix knob by ear. Soothe2 also has an incredibly musical sidechain capabilities. In other words, it is an excellent tool for resolving frequency conflicts. Like here, I sidechain the synth group to the vocal bus.
A woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman.
So every time vocals need to have a bit more space in the mix, Soothe2 will make sure the synth group won't get in the way. You can also use Soothe2 in mid-side mode. I sidechain the whole instrumental bus to my vocals.
What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman. What it means to be a woman, only strong as meant to be a woman. Wonder is in our blood, fire is in our hearts. This is what it means to be a woman.
As you can see, I'm mostly affecting the mid channel here. Again, my goal is to make sure my vocals sit well in the mix and all the other elements dance around it in a musical way. In Soothe2, you can automate any parameter within the plugin. In case of To Be a Woman, I'm automating mix knob and stereo balance. For instance, in the break section, I only need a pinch of Soothe, hence 25% mix. But on the final chorus, I need it in full force, working both mid and side channels. Another reason to love Soothe2 is its quality section. Whoever came up with the idea is a genius. Basically, you can set less CPU-intensive settings for your real-time work and high-quality ones for your bounds. This is a massive CPU savior. Moreover, you can copy all the quality settings to every instance of Soothe inside your project with a single click. Thank you for watching, and listen to my song To Be a Woman out now.
Yuvelir, Iris Yuvelir.